How to viral your Instagram reel. So in this video we are going to see 3 tricks that will help you to viral your reels, because all the influencer, they are using these tricks to viral on Instagram. So what are these 3 tricks? Let me show you here on the screen. So I'm going to open up the Instagram account here, and I'll go on the option to make the reel here. So once you click on this plus sign, you will get an option of template here. Here you can see that multiple templates are here. Most of the influencer, they are using their photos and these templates to get their reel viral. So this is first trick, that you can use template to get your reel viral with the help of your photos. Second is that you will have to open up your profile, and on the top you can see that 3 lines here. I'll click on this, and below I will be getting an option of data usage and media quality. So I'll click on this option. Here you can see that upload at highest quality option is enabled. So if it is not enabled in your phone, you will have to enable, so that whatever the reel you will post, it will get posted in higher quality and give best look, enhance the look of your reel. And third trick is that you have to see that which song is trending on Instagram. So here you can see that upward arrow is here. It means this song is trending on Instagram, and you can make the reel on this song, or whatever song you can see. If you get this arrow, it means you can make the video on that particular song to get your reel viral. So if you find these tricks helpful, then do subscribe this channel, Basics with Meeta. I'm making the videos on basic tech that you all should know. So do subscribe, be the part of this.